Hello and welcome back to the Power of BI channel. And in this video series, I'm going through all the concepts that are required for the Azure AI 900 exam, and this gives a comprehensive concepts, not the implementation based on the artificial intelligence, machine learning, natural language processing, computer visions, and generative AI. This video we are just touching some of the concepts or some of the features of Microsoft Azure AI Studio, which offers multiple services for the developers, and then provides more details about how we can implement each types of use case. So we'll be describing core features and capabilities of Azure AI Studio, as well as how we'll be able to manage AI resources, and also we will highlight how we can create and manage the Azure AI projects, and some of the concepts as well. So let's get started. As per the other Azure portal, Azure AI Studio is a web-based application that involves the capabilities of machine learning, generative AI, as well as language processing, document intelligence, and content safety. So this studio gives us the all the details about pre-built models, use cases, as well as examples as well. So some of the tasks that we can accomplish using the Azure AI Studio includes deployment of the models, deployment of the generative AI models, as well as integrating data from custom data sources and apply prompt engineering on this one, and using the prompt flow to define workflows that integrates models, prompts, and custom processing. It also go through the content safety filters into the generative AI solution, and also extend the capabilities in using multiple Azure AI services. It generally provides a team collaboration in development, as well as end-to-end solution in providing all the AI capabilities that you want to build in your organization. How does it work? It's just an AI hub that you assign you get a subscription, you provide resources, and you can select those resources which will be built either individually or for a specific resource. This Azure hub can host one or more projects, and then can have multiple collaboration as well. For example, data science collaborating with developers to build a custom copilot business application embedded in the website. So general things that we do in Microsoft Azure as well as Azure portal is to create and manage members, as well as compute instance, and also connections or to the resources like GitHubs and other things. Also, we define policies related to automatic shutdowns and other projects as well. So in order to create some projects, here are some of the features that we are able to do in a project, like deploying large language model to support a chatbot, or test the models in a chat playground. Add your own data for the prompts, as well as the create the model and evaluate the responses based on the prompts as well. We also include content filters to migrate potentially harmful responses as well, and also use Visual Studio Code to create custom code in the browser itself, and ultimately deploying a solution in the website or web applications. Some of the features or some of the required resources we require is the storage account, key vault, container registry, application insight, and Azure Open AI services. This is all available in the AI hub, which we can just manage and include based on the use case that your company wants. So as going through all the modules and specifying some of the things related to Azure AI Studio, we are able to create and deploy end-to-end AI applications, and we can also evaluate some of the predictive analysis as well as predictions. We can also do document analysis, computer vision, and natural language processing use cases, and it can also integrate with the other Azure services as well. And just going through all the stuff related to the generative AI, natural language processing, computer vision applications. This all can be done and handle and manage in the AI project in the Azure AI Studio. So that's it from this part of the video, and we've covered some basics of how we can use the Azure AI Studio. And what is the process generally, and what type of projects that we can do. So if you have any questions, just feel free to ask in the comment section, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. And I will see you in the next video. Thank you so much.